Hi everyone. How are you doing? Today is what is today? Oh yes, it's Tuesday, September 29th. Actually, let's write that down. Today is Tuesday, September. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. Tuesday, September 29th. That's today. Another nice day. Oh, I love autumn in Korea. The weather's usually nice, but it cools down in the evening, which is nice. I hate hot evenings. And it's also good time for holidays. I'm getting ready for Chuseok. Are you ready? Are you excited about Chuseok? Might be a little different this year because maybe a lot of people are not going to see their families or because of Corona, because of COVID. But maybe you can still have a nice time. But yeah, this is a really good time for holidays because these days we've got Chuseok. We've got, what's the other one? Gaechonjol. And we've got Hangul now. So yeah, this is like three holidays all close together, which is really good. Means we won't be having a lot of classes in the next couple weeks. One class this week, one class next week. But, got some time off. So, good. Yeah, what are those holidays we're having these days? We got Chuseok, Gaechonjol, and Hangul. Now, those are all Korean. What are the English names of those holidays? Chuseok, I'm looking at Wikipedia right now. Chuseok just calls it Chuseok, but it's common to call it Korean Thanksgiving. Korean Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is usually a holiday in autumn, like this one, like Chuseok, and where there's a lot of food and kind of the end of a harvest. So, yeah, in Canada, Thanksgiving is soon. In USA, it's in November. But yeah, commonly called Korean Thanksgiving. We got Gaechonjol, which in English they call National Foundation Day. National Foundation Day. What does that mean? The day celebrates the foundation of Go-Joseon, the first state of the Korean nation. Ah, so the very beginning of Korea, I guess. National Foundation Day. Okay, and that's soon. And then we got Hangul. It's almost the same in English. Instead of Hangul, we would call it Hangul. Again, Hangul Day. Hangul Day. Stolen the day from National Foundation. Hangul Day. And that's when King Sejong created Korean characters, Korean alphabet, which we use and are so nice and easy to learn. Now, when are those holidays? That's the thing we're going to talk about today, and I guess next week, is talking about dates and days. Such as today is Tuesday, September 29th. Maybe we can go back a little bit. Now, if a person asks you, what is today's date? What is today's date? Well, the date today is Tuesday, September 29th. That's today's date. So you should have the day of the week, the month, and then the date as an ordinal number, the 29th. Okay? All three parts. If somebody asks you today's date, if somebody says, what day is it today? I think I'll write that down too. What day is it today? What day is it today? You could just say Tuesday. Okay. Maybe we look at two similar questions that have slightly different answers. One of the questions is, when is your birthday? The other question is, what is your date of birth? Almost the same question, a little bit different, slightly different answer. Maybe you can see what it is. I'll write this one in blue. I'm gonna write a full sentence here. Oops. Gotta get that away from the computer. The computer's hot. My birthday is on May 20th. May 20th. My birthday is on May 20th. What is your date of birth is almost the same. See if you can tell the difference. My date of birth is May 20th, 1977. That's the kind of thing. In English, it's common to put a month, the date, the day, 20th, the year. I know in Korea you would do like 770520. That's how Koreans will typically write it. Year, month, day. In English, and it also depends on the country, but it's very common to put the month, the day, and the year at the end. Koreans like the year at the beginning. But yeah, a big difference is the year, right? So if you ask what is today's date you should say Tuesday, September 29th. Maybe you don't need to say the year. You could, but it might not be necessary. But if you're asked, what is today's date, you should say the day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Excuse me. If it's your date of birth, DOB, you might see that on your passport. Right? If you've ever gone to another country, you might get a passport. You need a passport. And on the information page of your passport, there might be DOB for date of birth. And in Korean, it would be written this way. It might be written another way in other countries. But yeah, your date of birth should have the year you were born. Okay. So, but yeah, let's get back to talking about the holidays. maybe just focus on Chuseok, Gaechonjol, and Hangulnal. When are they? Let's look at Gaechonjol first. National Foundation Day. When is, and I'm just going to put the abbreviation NHD. Let me write that again. NFD, actually. NFD. When is National Foundation Day? Just to save space and time. When is National Foundation Day? Gaechonjol. So if I look it up, oh, okay. Maybe you would be most common, you would know what it is in Korean. It's Shipwol, October, right? And Isam. Or do you do it as Hana Dur Set? I can't remember. Anyway, so National Foundation Day is on October 3rd. We don't say October 3, we say October 3rd. Okay, you have to change the what originally a cardinal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to an ordinal number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. We'll study those more next week, but yeah, you have to change when you're talking about days like dates, birthdays, and holidays and stuff. You should the number should be the ordinal number, like that, October 3rd. It's actually easy. It's pretty easy to get them. 1 is first, so we write it as, maybe you've seen this before, 1 ST at the top. 2 is second. 3 is third. Most of the other numbers have TH. 4th, 5th, 6th. There's higher numbers, and we can get to that a little later or next time. But most of them have TH. So yeah, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. So National Foundation Day is on October 3rd. Now, what about Hangulnal? Hangul Day. Let's try that one. When is Hangul Day? I don't know if this is going to be easy. Some students find this very easy. Some students find this very difficult. So, so for Hangulnal, we'll abbreviate it to HD. Hangul Day. Okay. When is Hangul Day? Oh yeah. Hangul Day is on October 9th. Gaechonjol National Foundation Day was on October 3rd, and Hangul Day is on October 9th. So. Now with Chuseok, the Korean Thanksgiving, sorry, the Korean Thanksgiving, we would say that Chuseok, well, Chuseok always changes. So, for example, like because it's done on the lunar calendar by the way the moon goes. When is the next Korean Thanksgiving? When is the next Korean Thanksgiving? Put KT for short. The next one. Okay. Or maybe it's better actually if we say, when is this Korean Thanksgiving? That might Yeah, let's change that. When is this Korean Thanksgiving? No. Oh, okay. Just looking at the calendar. This Korean Thanksgiving is on October 1st. So yeah, this one is the closest one. How about when is the next Korean Thanksgiving? That's what I wrote before, but it's better. This when we say the next, it would mean next year. Okay. When is the next Korean Thanksgiving? Oh, let's see. I gotta look this up on. I'm looking this up on Wikipedia. Oh, okay. So the next Korean Thanksgiving is on. Is it? Ah. The next Korean Thanksgiving is on September 21st next year. So yeah, both Korean Thanksgiving and Korean New Year, Seollal, they always change, and yeah, it can be hard to know when the next one is going to be. It's hard to remember. Okay. So let's see. Maybe that's almost all we're going to do today. Maybe this is a short one. I've had some long videos recently, so maybe this is good to do a short one, and we're almost at so loud. Important thing to do. There's a very short homework I prepared for you today. The first part is just about matching the Korean name for the holiday with the English name for the holiday. That shouldn't be too difficult, I don't think. Maybe a lot of them you can figure out. The second part is about telling me when different holidays and special days are. Okay. We take one example. Well, there's one example that I've given you. Memorial Day. What's that one? Oh, maybe I better not write this in red. Memorial Day. When is Memorial Day? Got to look that up again. Back to Wikipedia. Memorial Day, you call Hyunchungil. God, is that a day off? Oh yeah, we get a day off for that. Yeah, we get a day off. I didn't. Yeah. Hyunchungil is Memorial Day. So when is Memorial Day? Again, you could put the Memorial Day is on. Don't forget to write the preposition on there. We'll be covering that more next time. We use on for like days of the week and dates. So our class is on Tuesdays and Fridays, right? Yeah, that's when our class is. Memorial Day is on June 6th. Memorial Day is on June 6th. For times of the day, we have at. Our class starts at 4:40 this afternoon. At. Times of the day. Or let's have lunch at noon. Noon being 12 p.m. I'll cover that more next time. Next week. And we use in when talking about different like months. It is so cold in December. And maybe seasons. The rainy season is in the summer. As I say, I'll cover this more next week, so don't really worry about it now. But try to use the preposition on when making these sentences. Part of your scoring for this activity will be checking if you write on before the date. Memorial Day is on June 6th. Actually, to me, it's more important. If you don't know, some of these holidays you might be like, "Wulayo." Maybe you don't know. Well, the important thing is just to try to write a sentence that's correct grammatically. So if you wrote, if you're writing about Memorial Day and you're like, I don't know when Memorial Day is, maybe if you write Memorial Day is on April, maybe you write Memorial Day is on April 5th, or maybe you write Memorial Day is on November 11th. That's better. That's better than just writing I'd rather you wrote a full sentence than just gave a short answer. So you get more points, even if you get it wrong, if you try to write a real sentence with the good grammar. Okay? So if you don't know, you can try to guess. But yeah, I don't think this will be too bad for you. Okay, so I think we'll stop there. So hope you have a nice Chuseok. Enjoy some good food and maybe try to have some fun with your family. And I guess we'll see you next week then. Okay? Well, take care. Bye-bye.